Class 6 is about the ethics of research. References to ethical behaviors in research weren't added to the ASHA Code of Ethics until the most recent revision in 2003. The monster study we read for class came into the news in June of 2001 and made a terrific splash in the media, creating a good deal of questions in the mind of the public about how speech-language pathologist researchers behaved in doing research. As with most news stories, the hubbub has died down quite a bit over the years, but the monster study was the impetus for ASHA to update the Code of Ethics to include a whole segment of the work of the profession, research. I used the monster study to stimulate your thinking and the class discussion of the ethics of research, and because this story centered around a person in the same position as you find yourself right now, a student in a speech-language pathology master's program. Of the things that I hoped would surface from the discussion was the need to protect vulnerable groups with nothing to lose or no one to represent and protect their interests. A second point was the importance of informed consent, providing complete and sufficient information in order for a person to decide if they wish to participate in a project. The issues include being told of any adverse outcomes of their involvement, there needing to be a potential benefit for subjects who become involved, being able to withdraw from the research project at any time, that subjects need to be competent to make the decision to become involved, as many communicatively impaired persons are not competent, and the process of having others review the research proposal to guard against harming subjects and protecting researchers by ensuring that their proposed project is sound in terms of the ethical constraints and considerations of the project. This is the work of the IRB, the Institutional Review Board. Publicity about the monster study gave the profession a serious black eye. You see that even though the work had taken place decades ago, the impact of unethical behavior lasts a long time. For example, the Red Cross periodically has been accused of not adequately safeguarding donors in the process of collecting blood, not properly screening donors thoroughly for diseases, and not banking blood in the safest way. As a result, blood donations to the Red Cross have plummeted, and their ability to serve the needs of the community have been seriously impaired. It will take a very long time for them to regain the public's trust, and the impact is that we all lose. In the same vein, research is important to the profession of speech-language pathology and to the public. It's the source of new thinking, new knowledge, and a better understanding of communication disorders. When subjects are hesitant to participate in research projects because they question the ethics of or do not trust the researchers, everybody loses.